Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to remove objects in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the object. After that, go to select, modify, expand by 10 pixels and hit OK. And now go to edit, fill and make sure content aware is selected and hit OK. Object is removed but there is a still marks on that. So pick a clone stamp tool and select the area by holding Alt and just brush on that and adjust the opacity and flow as per your need. And it's completed. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.